Hello, it's Alexa.
Alexa is available for Windows 10 PC in India also. For that, you have to change two settings. Go to settings page on your PC. You have to activate your Windows 10, and you also have fault creator update, the latest update on your Windows 10 PC. Make sure and go to the time and language tab. Click on the regional language. After that, make sure your region is set on in United States. Obviously my region was in India. Actually I live in India, West Bengal, but I have to change it to United States for Alexa. Alexa is available only on United States region only, and click on the speech tab and make sure it's on United States English, because Alexa is available only on this language. Okay, after you have to change two settings. You have to reset your PC. Then the Alexa is online. Alexa can talk through Cortana. I'm gonna ask some questions to Alexa. Let's see how she can reply. Okay, to access Alexa on your Windows 10 PC, you have to go through your Cortana. Here you can wake up Alexa. Open Alexa.
Hello, it's Alexa.
What is your name?
My name is Alexa. What else can I do for you?
What is the capital city of India?
India's capital city is New Delhi. What else can I do for you?
Who is your creator?
A team of inventors at Amazon created me. What else can I help you with?
What is the color of Indian flag?
Flag of India's colors are green, white, navy blue and saffron. How can I help you?
What is the population of India?
As of 2017, the population of India was 1.28 billion. What else can I help you with?
What is the capital city of Australia?
Australia's capital city is Canberra. How can I help you?
What is the capital city of West Bengal?
West Bengal's capital city is Kolkata. How can I help you?
What is the length of river Ganges?
The Ganges River is 2,525 kilometers long. How can I help you?
What is the capital of Washington DC?
Washington does not have a capital. It is a city in the District of Columbia in the United States. How can I help you?
Weather forecast for today.
Right now in Manikpur, it's 32 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has clouds with thunder showers with a low of 27 degrees. How can I help you?
Wind speed right now.
How can I help you?
What is the wind speed right now?
Currently, it's breezy at 6.6 kilometers per hour. Today, expect something similar. What else can I do for you?
What is the population of West Bengal?
As of 2011, the population of West Bengal, India was 91.3 million. How can I help you?
Where is Amazon jungle?
Amazonas, also called Amazon jungle, is located in Brazil. How can I help you?
What is the population of Brazil?
As of 2017, the population of Brazil was 207 million. What else can I do for you?
So that's how you use Alexa on your Windows 10 device, actually Windows 10 PC. So that is all for today. Make sure hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. Take care about it.